Jeepers. Jeepers. Jeepers.
What's up, my YouTube family? Your boy GB is just coming off of the road, I reach my workplace just buy the jelly to drink, So, look, as you can see, rain set for fall, start drop already. So, just go on and just drink this jelly and go and eat it. That's when the rain start fall. We can, shelter, keep blessed, keep safe.
A few moments later.
As you can see, that is a mountain far over. You can see it's very white, covered by the rain. Wow. That you see in here is a house far up in the hills. That's a house far up in the hills right here. Looking way back. Those who know about Mount Rasa, but they're going to watch a riot. You drive at Mount Rasa, you can find the Windalco. Much fun. Yes, that is where our mountains are looking at right now. Wow. Guys, keep watching.